Here, the Redtiger Dash Cam front rear 4K, 2.5K full HD dash cam for cars, included a 32 gigabyte card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision, 170-degree wide-angle WDR 24-hour parking mode. That's the F7NP from Redtiger. This here's the Redtiger 4K 3-channel dash cam, 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi built-in, GPS with 64 gigabyte card, 2160p, 1080p, 1080p front and rear inside triple car camera with 3-inch screen, IR night vision, G sensor, WDR parking mode. That's the F17 from Redtiger. Redtiger F7NP. Not a bad little camera. It's got a bigger screen on it. It's that whole size right there. And you do have the ability to watch front and back at the same time. So the whole screen is taken up by what's going on the front, and then there is a smaller version. And then of course you can go into the settings and you can switch that around and you can change it and adjust it, everything that you want. You have the buttons on the side, SD card pops in and out. And then third, you've got the Redtiger. And I would say that in terms of quality, just kind of depends on what you want, but I would put the Redtiger F17, this Redtiger right here, is that it has the internal camera. So you can have the option to record what's happening inside your own vehicle at any given time. You can turn that off if you like, but in the display, as it's naturally set up, you'll have what's happening out the front, you'll have what's happening in the back, and on the same screen, split screen, of course, 3 ways, you'll have what's happening through this camera right here inside the car, which could be helpful for people who want to record what's happening inside their own vehicle, or to corroborate what happened outside the vehicle with what they were doing in the moment inside the vehicle. Or maybe you want to keep an eye on the valets and what they're doing with your car, and how they're behaving inside the vehicle. But that kind of sets the Redtiger 4K F17 apart, where it has the internal camera to record what's happening inside your vehicle.